Okay guys, today is an exciting day. We have received the Link dash, digital dash. You may recognize this as an AIM dash, MXS Strada, and that's because it is. It's the same hardware, but this one comes packaged from Link and pre-configured for Link ECU. So it's gonna make setup really easy, I hope. We'll see. This is gonna go in the CRX right now. Let's take a look at what's in the box. Okay. Typical sticker, links to documentation, setup guide, and here's the ECU, or not the ECU, the dash, the digital dash itself. This feels super solid, actually, way more solid than I expected it to be. This is a metal body, it's heavy, it feels super durable. Got some physical buttons. Now this is the Street Edition. It's the same dash as the Race Edition, but the difference is it comes with these little icons for headlights, turn signals, check engine light, the kind of things you'd have in a normal street car. The Race Edition is just like this, but it has generic icons that can be mapped to whatever you want. This is the 5-inch, which is the biggest thing I can fit in a CRX. There is a 7-inch as well. Let's see what else is in here. Wires as expected. There's a mini USB. Here's the plug for wiring to the body harness to get things like fuel gauge and turn signals. And here's what will go to the ECU. Power, can high, can low, the usual stuff. So this dash is for sale right now on aerace.com, and subscribe to the channel if you want to see this getting installed and set up in the CRX. Thanks for watching.